The Flying Sweet Pea Boat Adventure!
And suddenly, the Flying Sweet Pea boat floated towards them and stopped in front of the brave foursome. This was a cool flying boat. Very special. It looked like a sweet pea in shape and color. Very special indeed. And then a ladder appeared beside the Flying Sweet Pea boat to let them climb aboard. Momo happily started to climb up. The Cricket brothers and the ant hurried to climb up after him. Oh, no. If I keep on going, I'll have black panda eyes tomorrow. Kaka, dear, you should go to sleep early tonight, and I'll tell you the rest tomorrow night, okay?
No, Mom, I want to hear the rest right now. Hey, Mom, can Dad make a flying boat just like the Flying Sweet Pea boat in the story?
Well, of course your dad can. If you go to sleep now, I'll let your dad make you one.
You will?
Oh, so it really does work. Well, Dad is going to have a fun day tomorrow, I guess.
Achoo!
Dad, I want the Flying Sweet Pea boat. I want it. I want the Flying Sweet Pea boat now. I want it, please.
I got it! I got all my tools good. I did it! I did it! I did it!
Oh, I thought I got out of bed already, so why am I still dreaming? Wow! It really is a flying boat! That's amazing! Oh, yeah! Flying Sweet Pea boat! Flying Sweet Pea boat! Whoa! Whoa! It really is a flying Sweet Pea boat! My boat!
Hey, son! This flying boat is Dad's labor of love. Don't you dare play with it, or I'll never take you out to eat delicious food again, understand?
Oh, Dad's a really selfish guy.
How dare you take parts from my washing machine! Aha! This is great! Now I can spy on people and see what they're doing! What's this? Wow, that's awesome! Kaka, here, take it. This is for you.
What?
Go on here, take it. It's delicious. Doesn't teacher always tell us good friends take care of each other?
Okay. Me one, me one. You can have.
Kaka, since you ate my ice cream, don't you think you should repay the favor, huh? Don't you?
What? But I didn't even get to eat the ice cream!
Not my problem. You took something of mine, so it's totally your responsibility. Shish it, don't you agree?
What? No way. Dad said when he's not around, I can't play with that.
You idiot! I'll be there. It'll be fine.
Will We just can't, okay?
I know. Let's vote. If you vote for my idea, I'll even buy you an ice cream.
I vote. I agree. Okay.
All right! Wow! Cool! We're coming on board Flying Sweet Pea Boat!
Oh, the wind seems really strong.
Ha! I'm the flying boat captain. You have to follow my orders.
Yes, sir. Oh, look, it's so beautiful. Ada, come on. Don't fly any higher. It looks like it's going to rain.
Scaredy cat, I've just started to have fun. Whoa!
Huh? Quick, go down, go down. There's lightning ahead of us. Go down. Ah!
How do I go down? How?
My son, you have to be calm, then you can solve any problem.
Look!
Oh, dear boy! Oh, my son!
Oh no, I'm finished. Dad's found out, and now I won't have any hamburgers to eat anymore.
Oh no, Ada has fainted.
Carefully check if the patient has any burns on his body. There's no electricity on a person who has been struck by lightning, but extinguish any fire.
Hurry, put him in the ambulance.
Dad, what's wrong? What's wrong with Ada?
Well, Ada.
Brother Ada is sleeping. When my dad sees a spider, he falls asleep too. Huh? Really?
It's okay. This kid has only fainted. Let him rest now. Then we'll do a thorough examination. If he stops breathing or his heart stops, then we have to give him mouth to mouth and pump his heart. Then bring him to hospital.
Dad, if he gives Ada mouth to mouth, then isn't the doctor marrying Ada or something?
Wow, the way this child thinks really is twisted, isn't it?
Mom, look! Ada's awake!
Here, Kaka, drink a bowl of this red sugar ginger tea so you won't catch a cold.
Didn't I tell you that when the weather was nice one day, I'd take you and Mom up in the boat? That's just great. A whole washing machine gone to waste. But of course, well, yes, of course. A washing machine is nothing. We can always buy another one. As long as our son is strong and healthy.
Don't think I won't remember this.
Dad, I did something wrong. It was Ada who kept pushing me.
Drink up, it's getting cold.
This time, luck was on your side. Your mom and I came home and found that you weren't home, and we saw the flying boat was gone, and so we called 120. But it was only when the homing button came on that we found you guys. You were really lucky, my son.
But Dad, why were Shishi and I not hurt at all, but Ada got struck by lightning?
That's because you were farther away from the controls. Ada was very close to them, so it's much more dangerous.
Oh.
You must always remember that if you're in the middle of a storm and you feel your hair stand on end or your skin shiver, it means there's going to be lightning. Yeah! You must immediately squat down and hold your knees to form a small ball. But don't hide under a tree. You must be careful at home as well. Close all doors and windows. Don't watch TV. Don't use the telephone.
Ooh, is lightning that powerful?
Of course it is. Lightning is formed when different layers of clouds have become electrically charged and they hit each other. Or when clouds acquire a different amount of charge from the ground, lightning can be very destructive and it can sometimes kill you.
Whoa!
Oh, what is it?
My brand new washing machine.
Dad, make me a snail bus tomorrow.
I never want to make anything again. Washing and scrubbing. Wash, wash, wash. Oh.